Hello everyone, welcome back to another week of US stock market indices analysis and forecast for the upcoming week, which is the last week of July 2021. Now let us jump into S&P 500. As we can see, the price has been moving, breached the previous high and is going to close beyond the previous high. We have a small gapping during the start of the week. I buy a lot during this time. Like I said, forecasted last week, if there's a dip, we just buy. So right now the trade has been going very well. So there's a big volume on this buy, but price shows the upward movement. So this could be an indication of the quite a big buying by the institution levels, and not much sellers are willing to sell at the current market despite all the news of doom and gloom currently. So by the upcoming week, I would still recommend to go for long positions. Maybe the price will become stagnant or continue small movement upwards, or could be a big retracement up to the midpoint and then stagnant a bit and then go back up. Moving on to the Nasdaq 100, price again, as we forecast, break through the previous high. So this could be a bearish divergence, like I sketched out last week, a scenario of bearish divergence. Quite a big volume and the price head out. So there could be a further reaching of the price and then a small pullback and then bigger uptrend movement. Okay, watch out for this bearish divergence for the Nasdaq, but I would recommend buying on the dips for Nasdaq 100. For New York Composite, not able to breach the high from June until now. Then price has been stagnant throughout the low of May until now. So it could be in a limbo. Nothing on the RSI, nothing on the stochastic, nothing on the, could be something bullish divergence on the MACD. So with the other S&P, Nasdaq breaking new high, the New York Composite might try to breach the previous high. This big selling volume could be a stop loss hunt by the big banks, and then they push the price up. But seeing the price in volatility throughout these few days, I would recommend not to touch this index first. For Nasdaq Composite, the price is closing beyond the previous high. Okay, there is a bullish divergence in the RSI during the start of the week. During this time, a lot of people who were saying the price is going down, it's going to crash. I was thinking that if the price touch the SMA 50 line, it will rebound. But currently, this rebound is not caused by any buying volume. It could be a ripple effect from the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. So the trend might not be that strong as compared to S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. Could be a buy, long-term buy, but it's better to focus on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100. Then looking at the Dow Jones, okay, the price will be breaching, could by the coming weeks, the previous high. Not quite a strong volume here. Like I said, the SMA 50 line is a big rebound. Okay, the price could be stagnant within this zone, and then maybe break through or break downward. There's two scenarios currently, but if the industrial is correlating with the S&P 500, the trend could be going upwards. But there are better opportunity in S&P and the Nasdaq 100 compared to industrial currently. The risk is compared to the reward is quite high, so I will not take it. For Dow Jones Transportation, again, only go long when the price breaches this trend line. Bullish divergence has been forming in the RSI, where no new lows were made, but the new lows were made on the price. Same with the MACD. Overall, we are seeing bullish divergence here. So this big selling volume causing the price to go up. Again, if the price, this could be a good buy time for long-term passive investors. I think I would buy on this price, and then those of you who are more risk adverse, I would recommend buying when the price breach this level or the SMA 50 level or this trend line. But I'm willing to take the risk. I would be accumulating position within this zone, so it's a buy for me. Lastly, looking at gold, not much happening for this week. The SMA 50 and SMA 200 has been proven to be a very strong trend line. Nothing on the volume, nothing on the RSI. So like I pointed out, the price would go back to the median, and if it retraced back down again, then we could be in a downtrend. Okay, nothing on the MACD, nothing much on the stochastic also. So it's still a short position market for the gold, maybe for the next month until the year end. So with that, this is the analysis for next week and the forecast for next week. Thank you and stay safe. Bye bye.